As a psychotherapist in private practice for over a decade, I certainly have seen it all, watching my clients suffer through anxiety and stress, watching them go from medication to medication looking for the right pill, and rarely finding it, spending inordinate amounts of money desperately trying to find the correct method to make their stress go away. Can anxiety be cured by a pill or through mental health counseling? Anxiety is a complex issue. Not just something that can be cured through popping a pill, or through 1 or 2 visits to a mental health counseling professional. And while a combination of both medication and counseling can be effective, unfortunately it can take years to see results. And often a lot of money. If I do decide to take medication and see a therapist, what is the best type of therapy and medication I should take to help my anxiety? I can't answer that for you specifically, because everyone is different. For example, you may have an allergy that precludes you from using a certain type of medication, or you may not take well to a specific model of psychotherapy. That said, I can say that I have seen many of my clients do pretty well with what is known as cognitive behavioral therapy, in combination with a medication that their psychiatrist prescribed. Isn't there any way to get rid of my anxiety right away, instead of waiting the years it can take for medication and counseling to kick in? Yes. For every year it takes to go through therapy and anti-anxiety medication, people can actually learn to make their anxiety disappear in 10 to 15 minutes. That doesn't mean that counseling and medication aren't viable options. But they are not the end-all cure-all for anxiety. They are merely supplements to help you get better. The majority of the work is done by you. Not to mention you save a great amount of your money and time. Why don't psychiatrists ever tell you that you can learn to make your anxiety disappear on your own? Bottom line, because they need to make a living. If you did not see them for visits, these docs would not be in business. Don't get me wrong. There are some darn good professionals out there in the field of psychiatry. But, the fact is, if the docs and shrinks let you know that you can learn, in 10-15 minutes, the secrets to curing your anxiety, they would lose a great deal of income.